Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Steyr Og. Here it is. So yeah, and please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a squishy paper, like so, and you want to fold a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half, like that. Then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay, like so. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so, okay? So do that for the rest of the sides. And finally, the last one. Okay. And like so. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this up like a fan. So fold it up like that. Then follow the crease line all the way down. Okay. And then you're gonna fold the fan going the other direction now. Okay, so, but on this side, on one part, you're not gonna fold the center. Okay, so first you want to fold that first crease line right there. Okay, then match out the corners. Okay, and now fold the second crease line right there. And then you're not going to fold the center part now, but you're going to fold up the corners. Okay, so you see this square right here and the square here. You want to fold it in half diagonally. Okay, so fold the corners and fold the squares in half. Okay, so fold that down and go to the back side, and on this side you're gonna just go all the way down. Okay, so you see that first crease line right there. You want to fold that first crease line down and match up the corners. Then you're going to fold in that second crease line right there. Okay, then you're going to fold up the corners like so, and then you're going to fold that third crease line right there. Okay, then you're going to fold up the corners, and now you see those two squares. Those are two corners. Okay, So you're gonna fold those two corners down. Like so. So, if you look, the longer side should be facing towards you, and the shorter side should be away from you, okay? So you see that slant, and the shorter side is away from you, and the longer edge should be towards you, okay? And now you see this bottom piece right here, you want to fold the bottom piece back like so. Then you see this top longer piece right here, you want to fold that forward like so, okay? So it should look like this. So there's gonna be the sight and the barrel, foregrip right here, and the pistol grip, and the magazine right there, and the stock. Okay, so if you look at the top one right here, you see this triangle right there, that crease line. You want to fold in this triangle inside. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold this triangle inside, okay? And then you want to fold this whole thing in half, okay? Okay, and now make sure everything lines up, so that corner should be on the edge, also on the back side. Okay, so you see the smaller piece right here? You want to fold that all the way down. Like so. And now from that small piece, you see that crease line right here. You want to bring this piece and fold it right where that crease line is. So you can see the square right here and that triangle right there. Okay, then fold down on that piece. Okay, and now you're gonna fold up the sight. So you see this top piece right here, you want to fold it right up to that second crease line right there. So this would be the first crease line, that second crease line right there. So there should be two squares right there. Okay, so that's where that little piece is. Okay, and you want to fold that down. Okay, and put this in a slight slant like that. Okay, and now if you look at the front right here, you see that triangle right there? You want to fold in that triangle. So first you want to pre-crease it if you like. So you see where the corner is, you want to fold that down and make a crease right there. Then you want to unfold it. Then you want to open up this pocket right there, and you want to fold in that triangle. Okay, and now if you look at the back side, you will see this corner right there. So you want to bring this bottom piece right up to where that corner is. Okay, and kind of slide this kind of upward like that. So around here. Then fold this whole piece in half. Okay. Like that. And kind of fold this forward. Like so. And now I'm going to make the magazine now. So if you look in the back, you want to bring this edge down right up to that second slot right here. So you see that crease line right there? So you see first, second crease line right there. And you see that crease line and the third crease line right there. You want to fold right up to the middle of right there, middle of this slot right there. Okay. So fold this edge down. Right in the middle of this square. Okay, so the second square. Okay, then kind of fold it in half. So you want to match this crease line onto this crease line right there. Okay, and turn over to the back. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half right up to this crease line right there. Okay, so you see that crease line right there, and you see that triangle and that square. Like so. Okay, and now you see this triangle on top. You want to fold in that triangle. Okay, so first you want to pre-crease it if you like. So make a crease like that and unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right there and fold that triangle right inside. Okay, now turn over to this side. Okay, and now you're going to unfold this part a little bit, just like that, and kind of wrap this around. Fold this part up, then fold this part back down. Okay, and now you see that crease line right there. You want to zigzag fold right there to make it a curve magazine right there. So slightly fold that in and make a little curve to the magazine. Okay, and now we're going to make the barrel. So you see that first crease line right there, and that second crease line, you want to fold right in between, in the middle, right there. So match those two crease lines over, just like that. Then fold the front portion back forward, and now fold right where this small piece, right, that small piece is. Okay, then fold this whole portion and the barrel in half. Okay, and fold this this little piece in half as well. Okay, and now you see where that crease line is right there? You want to fold this forward, just like that. And now fold it back. Then fold it down. And then you want to fold these edge down to the center, okay? Okay. And here is the Steyr Og. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.